Yo guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be covering 5 YouTube niches that you can get into, and these are going to be search-based niches that you can get into this year and start creating search-based content in these specific niches. All of these are proven niches to get a lot of views. I'm talking millions and millions of views per month, which is going to result in thousands and thousands of dollars every single month for you in your bank account. Now, it's important that you pick a niche that you have some sort of interest in while I explain these different types of niches. There are 5 of them. If you like one more than the other, I would go with that one because when it comes to the long term aspect of this, you will have to do this for quite a few years. Um, to be able to get the best results possible. So, picking something you're interested in is going to be the best way to do that. And the first one that I want to get into right now is the typical. And don't worry if you're bored of this one, I will be covering 4 other ones. So, the typical how to guides that you find online. So, like how to, for example, how to disable safe mode on Android, for example, you do computer and you do laptop videos, computer and phone videos. So how to disable safe mode on Android, and you'll get these various videos that pop up. 2.3 million views in 3 years, 10K, okay, 1.1 million, 173K, and so on and so forth. Okay, 106K. If you have 1,000 videos all producing results like this, you can see the power in the search-based method. It really works if you stack these videos over time. So on my specific channel, I think I'm almost at 4,500 videos uploaded on the channel so far. So the more that you can upload on these types of channels, but this specific niche, the typical how-to guides on the mobile and the laptop, that's the niche where you're going to have to upload the most amount of videos. But as you can see, it's going to be really not that difficult because that's 53 seconds, that's 2 minutes, that's 2 minutes, that's 2 minutes, okay? 1 to 2 minute videos, and you just stack these over time. I'm sure you know how to do this. And the next one I want to go over is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is great because what you can do with this channel is you can do the search-based content and upload those videos, get AdSense revenue, and also put affiliate links in your description of your videos to start getting affiliate commissions, which can be almost 5 times more than the actual AdSense. So if you do videos like, for an example, how to do affiliate marketing for beginners, or for an example, how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, you can see these videos will pop up and you'll get these influencers. So you will need basically a face to these videos. So if you want to do it yourself, you can do that. If you want to outsource it, you can do that for like $10, $20 per video. You only have to upload about 15, 20 of these per month. So it could be affordable, but you can see complete beginner's guide. And how can you get the information for this video to get knowledge about this topic? Well, you can watch like the first 3 to 5 videos in the first search results, or you can use ChatGPT to gain knowledge. If you have some knowledge about it yourself, then it's actually a good niche for you to go in. So you can see 65K, and this is actually going to be paying almost $10 to $15 per 1,000 views, where the typical how-to search guides are going to pay $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. So this is a high RPM niche where you're going to get paid a lot of money per 1,000 views, and these videos aren't difficult to make. For an example, I can click on one of them right now. Okay, I'll just get rid of the ad quick. Okay, so basically you just need a microphone, an influencer to do the talking, and a little bit of editing. Okay, and you should be good to go. And you basically talk about a topic related to affiliate marketing, and then you can put links in your description. So he's got a school community, he's got free viral hooks you can download, and you can put price tags on these different products and earn affiliate commissions. That's the second one. The third one is the high CPM search-based guides. So, for an example, how to add product on Shopify, how to add product to Shopify. Shopify is a high CPM topic, and these are also going to be really good. you can see a channel like this is absolutely doing well. 254k views on that video. Shopify success. This is a great channel doing Shopify videos. 70,000. And let's just see. Okay, 154,000 views every single month. So this is going to have like a $15 to $20 RPM. Let's say it's 20, so 154,000 divided by 1,000. Okay, multiplied by 15. That's 2.3k in AdSense revenue every single month, which is really good. For doing 81 videos, that's great result. Only 5 videos uploading per month, which is decent. So you can do this. You can get someone to outsource these, but you can outsource these videos. Get an influencer to do these 6 to 10 minute long videos, and you should be good to go. You can watch these videos, gain knowledge, and basically how to make money. You can see they're all search based topics, and you can really build up a solid channel with that. And then the next one we can go into is websites. So how to build a website, how to build a website how to build a website for your business. That's a business related topic. It's going to have a higher CPM, and you can create a business website in 5 minutes with AI. You can use that topic to gain views. And there's another one here, I think I saw this one, how to create a free website, 20-minute long videos. And you're going to get some good results if you actually have an influencer or yourself actually doing these, because that's going to give retention, that's going to give trust, and you're going to have a better result that way. It's kind of like branching out from the typical how to search based guides, where you have an actual influencer. So if you're doing like 10 videos per month, let's just say it costs you $25 per video, and you're doing 10 videos per month, that's $250 you'll have to spend on an actual influencer to do the videos, which can get you a pretty great result. If you're spending 250, if you're spending 250 but making like 5,000, then you still got 4750 profit, which is a no-brainer. So websites is another one where you can talk about websites. Let's try to find another topic: how to add, or how to build a. Let's see what website comes up. You can do the search bar method, how to, and I'm going to put how to build a website using AI, and you can just go through the list of all the different topics. How to build 10,000 websites using AI, how to build a false website using AI, and these are getting pretty good views. And then the last one is the making money online niche, which you can get into. So for an example, how to make money online. You want to make use of the trends. So how to make money with AI, I'll do as an example. How to make money online with AI, and then you can model after these videos basically and create a video yourself and get a good result. I will stay consistent with these channels, upload every single day if you can, and you can even do it with an AI avatar just like this. But that's a separate topic for a different day. So you can get all the information you need for these videos from the actual YouTube search results itself, or we can make use of ChatGPT to come up with scripts and everything like that for your video. So I hope this was valuable. I know some people were having that were getting bored with the typical how-to guides channels. So that's 5 niches you can get into this year to absolutely crush it with YouTube. So drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video, and subscribe. Peace.